Hello developers, this is Matt with Enflux, and I'm just going to go through a basic setup of a project with our Enflux VR Unity SDK. So I've got a brand new project here, and so the first thing I will do is go to our GitHub. Uh, this is the main repository, and then there is the releases tab, which you can click on, and it'll bring you to all the releases. You'll usually want to grab the latest. So from here, all I need to download is the Enflux VR Unity package. Just download that. And then from within the Unity editor, you go to Assets, Import Package, Custom Package, and then navigate to wherever you downloaded the SDK, and then it's going to bring all that into the editor. Just click Import. Okay, so I have my project and I have the Enflux VR SDK imported. I've got my Enflux VR, my plugins, and our streaming assets. So now I just need to set up a few things in the scene. So switching over to the Scene tab within Unity. Then I go to the Enflux VR folder and expand that, and then under Resources, I expand that to see my prefabs folder. And then I click on prefabs. And so what we need are the Enflux VR prefab, which is just some helpers. You probably won't really have to work with those at all. And then the Enflux VR humanoid, that's the actual model. And then we need a user interface. So in Unity, we just add a canvas, and then we can drag the Enflux panel onto the canvas. We can check that by switching to the game view, and you can see there's the Enflux panel. All right. Okay, at this point we're ready to go ahead and use the suit to animate the model. To do that, we click play here in the editor, and then this is the dongle that we sent with the suit, and just click attach, and then turn on the pants and the shirt by pressing the button that's in the middle. And when the device is on, you'll see it pop up in this devices area, and then you can click connect. And sometimes connect hangs for a little bit. It's just because it's setting up the connection to the shirt and to the pants, and then setting the timing interval. So, but once it displays disconnect here, you know that you've connected. And then if it's the first time that you've run the suit, then you need to actually do a calibration. And to do that, I have a calibration tutorial. Be sure to watch that, and then I'm just going to go through the steps here. But if you want more details on calibration and to see what I'm actually doing, be sure to watch that tutorial. Okay, at this point, we have calibrated the suit and we're ready to actually do some animation. So to do that, I click Start Animate Mode. It's going to start counting down. During this countdown, I need to stand still until it says ready. And then after it says ready, all set. So that countdown is just the suit getting its initial heading. If it's unable to get an initial heading, when you get to this point, this shirt and pants may not line up, or something may look terribly wrong. So you'll notice a little bit of jitter. We are working on that. That'll be part of a firmware update to increase the sampling rate of data. But from here, you can pretty much set up your game or do whatever you want to make use of being able to animate the model using the suit. To stop, we just hit stop animate, then we disconnect and detach, and we're done. Okay, so I just showed you guys how to set up a scene and animate with the suit. However, there is a shortcut. You can go under the scenes and just go to the Enflux Suit setup scene that I've already made, and it's already done everything I just went through the steps of. So you could just get the Enflux VR SDK like at the beginning, and then go down to scenes and click on the Enflux Suit setup, and boom, you'll have this right away. And so then you can, from here, you can connect or click play, click attach, and then turn on your suit, click connect. Remember, sometimes connect takes a few seconds. All right, and you'll still need to run the calibration if you haven't done that already. If you already have, then you usually don't have to run calibration again unless you go to a different building or a different room. So in this case, I've already calibrated, so I'm just going to hit Start Animate. And there I am. Woo! Hey everybody. Alright, so I've shown you how to set up a scene like this from scratch, or how to just open up the scene that I've already built. So hopefully this helps you get started with Enflux VR.